Hello everybody, welcome back to Aerial Dude. Today we are going to take you to a special place out of a legend, the Dainthlen Falls, which is located near Sora, also known as Cherrapunji. I'm flying with my Mavic Air. Trust me, the beauty of these falls and the legendary stories related to these falls would blow your mind. One thing though, this site is presently closed for tourists, so we are capturing this aerial magic with special permission. So let's dive into this 10 minutes of pure aerial magic. Alright family, let's set the vibe. Dainthlen Falls is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Meghalaya, one of the wettest regions on earth. This cascade is a beast, carving through the cliffs of Sora like a blade. The name Dainthlen means where the thlen was cut in Khasi language. Tied to a legendary serpent, we will talk about it soon. For now, just soak in this view. That water is usually clear, but this time it's a bit murky just because of the early rain. And the mist, it's like the falls are alive. I'm flying the Mavic Air today, and its 4K camera is picking up every detail. Those rocky textures, the spray, the greenery. This is why I love drone vlogging. You get every angles which no hikers could ever see. Now let's dive into the story that makes Dainthlen so special. According to the Khasi legend, a giant serpent called the thlen once terrorized this area, ambushing travelers and spreading fear. The locals, fed up with this reign of terror, banded together and slayed the beast right here at these falls. That's why it's called Dainthlen, which means where the thlen was cut. The Khasi people sees this place as a symbol of triumph over evil. From this angle, you can almost imagine the thlen coiled in these cliffs. This fall has this raw, ancient energy, like they are still guarding the valley from that serpent spirit. Flying near a waterfall like this is tricky. The wind and mist are no joke. Besides the constant changing weather, and thick mist interrupts the drone shot very often. But this drone stability is holding up like a champ. Did you see that pool down there? It is usually crystal clear. Hope once the monsoon season is over, we could see the crystal clear water again. The Khasi people hold this place sacred, and we need to honor that. Dainthlen isn't just about waterfall. Look at this landscape. Meghalaya's hills are like a green ocean, with mist rolling through like waves. This is what makes drone vlogging so rewarding, capturing moments you would miss from the ground. Every angle shows the super scenic beauty of these falls. The water spreads out like a shimmering curtain. The air is so pure and you will feel it in every breath you take. Now you can figure, it's no wonder this place draws so many stories.
When the monsoon hits, these falls are an absolute beast, roaring with power as the water crashes down a jaw-dropping 80-meter straight drop. Trust me, it's a sight that will leave you speechless. But if you are not in about rainy season vibe, no worries. Plan it for the dry months. Oh, and here's the best part I forgot to mention. There's a viewpoint that gets you super close to the action, so you can feel the mist and explore the rugged terrains on foot. So plan your adventure to explore these falls as soon as they open it for public. Plus, the area's got more to offer, like the crazy cool Mouse Mike cave and a bunch of other gorgeous falls nearby. It's like a treasure chest of adventure waiting for you.
If you love this aerial adventure, hit the like button, subscribe and drop a comment below. Stay tuned for another video. Until then, peace.